Net carbon dioxide assimilation is the difference between the CO2 consumed during photosynthetic carbon fixation and that released during respiration. Initial exposure of C3 plants to elevated carbon dioxide concentrations strongly stimulates net carbon dioxide assimilation. Yet over periods of days or weeks or months of exposure to elevated carbon dioxide concentrations, net carbon dioxide assimilation and above-ground growth slows down. Consequently, in the long term, growth rates at elevated carbon dioxide concentrations are only 8% faster than those at ambient carbon dioxide concentrations. This decline in the stimulation of net carbon dioxide assimilation and growth by CO2 enrichment is known as carbon dioxide acclimation. Carbon dioxide acclimation presents several experimental challenges. For instance, the response of even a single species within a single experiment changes with time of exposure to elevated carbon dioxide concentrations. Such changes contribute to the wide variation in results for crop yields and above-ground biomass. Of the explanations advanced for carbon dioxide acclimation, perhaps the most popular involves insufficient sink strength. According to this hypothesis, plants exposed to elevated carbon dioxide atmospheres are unable to consume all the carbohydrates that they generate via carbon dioxide assimilation because of genetic constraints, high temperature limitations, development changes, or nitrogen deficiencies. These carbohydrates accumulate as sugars and starch in chloroplasts, and these cause structural changes in chloroplasts and a downregulation of rubisco activity, carbon dioxide assimilation, growth, and yield. The next video segment examines the relationship between carbon dioxide acclimation, nitrogen, and presents a more straightforward mechanism for explaining carbon dioxide acclimation. In summary, number 1, plants must balance water loss against carbon dioxide gain. 2, plants lose as much as 1,000 molecules of water for every molecule of carbon dioxide that they incorporate into carbohydrates. Number 3, rising atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrations will improve the water use efficiency of plants. Number 4, the observed decline in stimulation of plant growth by carbon dioxide enrichment is known as carbon dioxide acclimation.